Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can get a song from Suno AI via your phone in 2025. So you're going to head over to your Play Store and you are going to download the Suno AI. Just going to type in Suno. So you're going to download this Suno AI that you see here. You can see it's already installed. So what you're going to do is to open. So once you navigate the app, you will need to sign in using your Gmail account or either your Apple or Microsoft account. You can use either of those accounts. So when you finish doing that registration, it will bring you to a page that looks like this. So all you need to do is to press this icon that says music, and you can now freely describe the type of music that you'd like to want to create, and it can generate for you. Let's say for instance, surprise me. So what you are doing, you're just going to do is to press create, and automatically your song will start being created. So that is basically all you need to know about this. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing.